LMS homepage, which is learning.gij.edu.gh. This is what you will see. Okay, but the YouTube page is here. You will click on this icon for you to get access to the LMS, GIJ LMS YouTube page. You click on the icon and it will take you to the YouTube page. So this is the YouTube page for LMS tutorials. I will encourage all of you to go there to get some education on the LMS. So now we will go back, and for these, the other links, they are not working. We are not using that much. So we are using the YouTube page for now. Now I will click on login into my page so that we can start doing something. Okay. So at the end of this training, what I expect you to know is that you know how to actually open your notifications. You know how to read your notification. You know how to chat your colleagues, and you also know how to reset your passwords. You also your profiles. You also know how to check your grades online. That is the grades that have been imputed into the LMS only. Then you can also use the calendar to mark your event, to enter your event, how to use your student calendar. And I also show you how to take online quiz, how to submit online assignment, and also how to take part in an online or virtual class. So hopefully we are going to do all this within 1 hour. All right, so first of all, I will introduce you to the environment, the LMS environment. Okay, so if you log in, this is what you will see. And I believe you are seeing my cursor. If you go to the desktop here, you click on the drop down arrow. These are the things you see. The dashboard will provide you with the home page where you can have access to your courses. We have the profile where you can edit your profile. We have your grades. You have your messages. That if you have somebody has sent you a chat or you want to chat somebody, that's where you will go. You have the liberty to chat your colleagues in class. Then preferences. We'll learn how to use the preferences. Okay, so first of all, let's click on the profile and see what is there. This is the profile. So you see your email address. You can browse your grades overview, browser session, and all that. But the main thing is that with your profile, you can edit your email address and even your picture. You can upload your picture. So you can upload your picture here inside your LMS. You do that after you have uploaded your picture, then you click on update profile. So that's where if you want to upload your picture, click on this one. Then it will trace you click on upload a file. Then you click on this, choose a file. Then you go and choose the picture that is on your machine. So if you have any picture on your machine that you want to make it put it inside your profile, you just select it, click on open, then upload. Then the picture will be saved. Then you click on update profile. Then your profile will be, you see that I've updated my profile. That's one. Okay. Then let's go to your grades. You click on grades. And if any grades had been assigned to you, you should be able to see the grades here. So this is the grades. Now, introduction to computers. This is my grades. Okay, this is the grades I have because I've been graded. I just did an exam assignment and I submitted it and I've been graded. So if you have grades, go to grades. You will see your grades there if it has been entered by your lecturer. Okay, then let's proceed. You go to messages. That's where you can have a chat with your colleagues. You click on messages, and if you want to chat your colleagues, you can do so. You enter who do I want to chat? Probably I enter the person's name, then click on enter, and the person will come. Okay, so you click on the person's name, then you enter the chat, write the message, then you click send, then it will go. So basically that is how are you doing? So that's it. You enter the message, then press enter, then it will go. So that's for the chatting. If you want to read your notification, you see this bell icon. This is bell icon for notifications. So probably if you have upcoming assignment, if you have any alert, if your lecturer has sent you any message, you will see it here. So that's notification. You see, you have submitted your assignments. So this is when I submitted an assignment. This is what is the notification I've been given, telling me that my assignment that I submitted has been submitted successfully. So that's a notification. All right. Now, let's go to how to edit our preferences. So let's go to preferences. Okay, so preferences. The main thing you'll be doing at preferences is to change your password, and I will encourage all of you to really change your password. If you don't do that and any of your colleagues uses your password to mess up on the platform, it will be attributed to you, because anything you do online is really recorded. So there are traces of anything you do. So keep your password safe to yourself so that nobody can use your password to do criminal activities on our platform. All right, so you click on change password. Click on change password. And please, the default password that was sent to you, do not use it. After immediately you log in for the first time, try and change it. If you've used it for a while, try and change it. I would advise you to change it. So go through this process. Enter the current password you are using. Enter the new password. Then you enter the new password again. Then you click on save changes. You click on save changes to save the password. So that is one thing you need to be mindful of. So, okay, so now we'll go to our navigation block. This block is always hiding. This block is always hiding. So please bear in mind that you always come here and you see your main menus. So this is my site homepage. I will see my courses. All your courses can be located here. All the courses you are taking. So you make sure that the number of courses you are expected to take are all reflected here. If they don't reflect here, you need to really alert us, because all the courses need to be reflected here. And if you look at here, you see that your total courses is 1. So the number of courses you are taking should indicate here. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should see the total here. If you do not see, then you need to alert us so that we can enroll you in the appropriate courses. Now, I want to go to my course page. So you click on the course name CE 2021. That's the course code. And I'll get into my course page. This is the course page. But before I do anything in the course page, I'll also show you how to use the calendar. If you see the top here, you see courses and you see the calendar. So I want to show you how to really use the calendar to actually enter events. Okay, so click on the calendar. Okay, so once you click on the calendar, you see a calendar opens. So what do you want to do? If you want to enter new event, click on event, new event. Then the event will pop up. What is the event title? Oh, okay. Examination. Maybe there is a milk steam examination in a few days. What is the date? You can change the event date, probably 2017 February, then that's all. Then you click on save. Then the event will be saved. Okay, now let's go and see if the event is reflected on our calendar. Let's go and see if the event is actually reflected on our calendar. We go to February. Let's click on February. We see 17th. This MedSem. See that this is the event. So MedSem, this is the event. MedSem examination in few days. Wednesday, so that's your event. So you can use the calendar to mark yourself and at least put in events so that it can guide you. That's one. Now let's go back to our courses. Then you click on our courses. Okay. Now we are on our course homepage. Our course page. All right. So the first week we are taking history of computers, and my lecturer has uploaded a video. Okay, please click on the link below to watch the video. So when I click on the link, the video will start. So you watch the video, and there's a discussion under the video. There's a discussion under the video, which is discussion of history of computers. It's a forum. If your lecturer create a forum, I want to show you how you can take part in that forum. So this is one item that is also very important. You click on the forum link. This is the forum discussion of history of computers. Click on the forum link. Once you've clicked on the forum link, please, this tutorial, don't worry, it's recorded. So I will put it on the YouTube page. You can go and watch it over and over again. That is why I am moving a bit fast. So you can relax and watch. But at the end of the day, I'm going to put it on our YouTube page so that you can always have access to it. So don't be worried that I'm going a bit fast. Okay, so this is the forum we have, history of computers. This is the topic under discussion. You click on history of computers. And now this is the top, is a question and answers forum. What do you know about history of computers? Okay, so if I want to respond to this, question, then I will click here, reply. I will click reply. So you enter your reply, then click on submit. Okay, then you realize that it's added, your contribution is added to the forum. So this is a question and answer forum. We have different types of forum. We have a general discussion forum where everybody can put the topic there for discussion. Then we have question and answer forum. So depending on which forum your teacher will mount, you can take part in it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so that's for forum. I'll click on my course to get back to my course page. So now, the second item on the page is electronic book. Assuming your lecturer has mounted an electronic book, how do you get access to it? You only click on the link, Introduction to Computers ebook. Just click on the link. Then the book will open. This is the chapters of the book. Then if you want to see all the chapters, just go to your sidebar. Go to your sidebar. You see the chapters, table of content. Chapter 1, what is computer? Evolution of computers. Chapter 3, hardware and software. So these are the contents of the book. But if you don't come to this side, the sidebar, you wouldn't see the full content of the book. So if I want to go to chapter 2, I click on this chapter and it will take me to chapter 2. So this is chapter 2. Or you can also use this arrow to go to the next chapter. Chapter 3, or you can use this arrow to back to the previous chapter, which is chapter 2. So that is how you can go through an online book mounted by your lecturer. That is how you can go through an online book mounted by your lecturer. Okay. Now let's get back to our course page and see what next we need to do. Okay, now we have an assignment. How do we submit the assignment? So Introduction to Computers assignment, we click on it. Then we see, okay, I've already submitted this assignment. That's the status. Okay, so I will want to remove the submission and submit again. So I will remove it, remove my submission so that I can submit it again for you to see. Okay, so continue. Now, okay, so now remove it. Okay, so edit submission. It's not allowing me to remove. I believe that the settings do not allow that. But if you want to edit the submission, this is how you submit an assignment. Okay, forget about forget about, although I've already submitted, but I want to show you what will happen. If immediately you click on assignment, you click on the assignment, okay, in here, if you haven't submitted, it will read submit assignment, but because I've already submitted, it's telling me edit submission. So I'll click on edit submission. Once I click on edit submission, it will help me to replace what I've submitted. Okay, assuming it's a new one, you can submit it. Do I want to do online test? If you want to type answers or type the or copy and paste the assignment inside, you can do that here. However, if you've typed the assignment in a file, Word document that you want to upload, you can do that here. Click on this one, upload the file, click on choose a file, then you select the file you want to send. You select a file you want to send, then you click on it. Then you click on upload this file, upload this file. That will be all. So you see my assignment has been uploaded. My assignment has been uploaded. Then save changes. We click on save changes or send. So that's it. After you've uploaded the assignment, that is how it will read for you. Now it is indicated here, submitted for grading, but it has not been graded. This is the status of my assignment. This is the assignment I submit, the file I submitted, Mr. Azuma. So that is how you can submit your assignment. It's as simple as this. Okay, I've seen somebody's hand up. Ajua, do you want to say something? Ajua, I've seen your hand up. Ajua, can you unmute and talk, or you are okay?
I'm okay, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, so that's the assignment submission. Okay, that's how you submit your assignment. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, now that we know how to submit assignments, how do we take a quiz, online quiz? How do we take online quiz? That's with two hardware and software. This is the quiz. How do you take it? Just click on it. It's all about students' activities on the LMS. It's very simple. Once you click on the activity starts. So click on quiz. You get it. So then the quiz will open. Unfortunately, I have already submitted this quiz. So you see, it's saying summary of previous attempts. Okay, I can, so reattempt quiz. Let me reattempt the quiz. Okay, so this is how the quiz will open for you. I've already done it anyway, but now I've done it in such a way that will allow me to reattempt. So you see the quiz will open this way. CAD stand for what? Probably I will say computer aided design. Then I'll click on next page. Next page. So this is the quiz I'm taking, and you need to be careful because it's going to be key. Then compare this is a hardware. Is it true or false? It's true. Then the next page. What is a computer? Then you enter the short answer type of question. Then brain of a computer system is called what? Probably this. So finish attempts. That's the last question. Okay, you see, it is telling me, okay, please take care. Take note of this. If you do a quiz and you click on finish, it will tell you what you've answered. You have answered, saved, this answer is saved, this answer is saved. So it means all your answers have been correctly saved. Now, this has not submitted your quiz. If you just return here, you haven't submitted your quiz. So click on submit and finish. Naturally, if the time for the quiz elapses before you finish, the system will automatically submit your quiz without you even clicking on submit. But if you finish ahead of the time and you want to submit, you can do what I am doing. You submit all and finish. Then confirmation. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answer for this. Okay, submit and finish. Then I've submitted my quiz. So now my quiz has been graded. So this is the results. If you can see, the quiz has just been graded. The quiz has just been graded. That is how you take an online quiz. Okay. So that is the grade for the quiz. You see that if your teacher has structured in such a way that the system should be able to give you a feedback right after your quiz, then this is how you see it. Right after you are done, you see a feedback of the quiz. Okay. So now we've done how to do an online quiz. Now, this is the other issue. How do you take part in online virtual class? How do you join an online virtual class? This is the link for the virtual class. This is the link. Normally, the link that will be sent to you are in this format. It is always posted on your page. Then you click on it to open. So you click on the link and it will open. Okay, so what we are using for the virtual class is Office Teams. It's Microsoft Teams that we are using. And Microsoft Teams, you can use the app that is installed on your phone or your computer, or you can even continue to use your browser if you don't have it installed. So assuming I do not have Microsoft Teams installed on my computer, I could still go ahead and continue on this browser to install, or I can download Teams right away from here, or I can open Teams from my app, my application, which includes the application that I've installed on my computer. So these are the three options, but they are all doing the same thing. I can't proceed. The reason being that if I continue to open this link, I'm already using my Teams account, so it may disconnect this online team meeting. But when you click on it, you automatically join the class or any of this browser, then you'll be part of that. As simple as that. Okay, so let's go back to so that is what we need to know. These are the basic things we need to know about our learning management system platform. So I will just do a recap of what we've studied today, then probably we'll have a short discussion, then we can call it a day. The first of all, you need to know how to read your notifications. How to read your notification? You come to the bell icon here, click on it, and you see all your notifications here. That's how you can get access to your notifications. Okay, how do you check your grades? You click on this icon, drop down and see your dashboard is there, your profile. You can edit your profile here. You can check your grades here. You click on this and the grades is open if you've been graded. And you can chat your colleagues here, messages. If you want to reset your password, go to preferences. If you want to reset your password, please go to preferences. And this is where you log out if you want to log out of the system. And it's always good and great that after your class, log out so that nobody will use your account to do any other thing. Please, after a class, after you finish using the LMF platform, log out. Okay, so that is it. So, and the next thing is that there's a navigation bar at the far left-hand side where you see all your menus. So you can see all your weeks, your participants. You can even see your participant, the courses you are running. So at the moment, I'm running only one course, which is CE 2021. That's a course code. I have the weeks to my courses all lined up here. Any of the weeks I want to go, I can click on it and it will take me to that week. Okay, now let's go through. I want week 1. My lecturer has put a video and probably there's a recorded lecture and there's a discussion under it, a forum under it. I click on the discussion of the history of computers forum, then I can contribute to the forum as I want by responding to the forum, the available topic under discussion. Then I can make my submission by replying to any of the comments. Okay, so that's how you take part in a forum. Okay, now how do you read an online book in the LMS? You click on the icon of the ebook, then you can go to the chapters at the side, the table of content at the sidebar, navigation bar, and you can get all the content, evolution, then you can get all the content of the ebook. Then you can read it, or you can use this arrow to scroll through the content of the book. Content of the book here. You can use this one to scroll through the content of the book here. Great. Now we want to get back to our course page. This is our course page, and we want to do how to take assignment. You click on the assignment. Once you click on the assignment, the submit assignment. I have done it before, so I will do edit submit. But then, if you haven't attempted it, it will ask you to submit assignment. Then you click on it, submit assignment. Then it will open for you to submit the assignment. This is the same thing it will open for you. So it will open this one for you. Then if you want to paste the content of your assignment, you can paste it here. Or if you have a file and you want to submit it, you can attach the file by clicking on this icon here. Click on upload, choose a file to upload. Click on the upload file, click on it. Then you click on upload this file. Once you click on upload this file, you can overwrite and it will be uploaded. Then save your changes. So now my assignment, then I go, and my assignment has been submitted like that. And if you submit your assignment, because I'm the submission status, this is supposed to give you a report on the assignment, whether it's been submitted or it failed. So this is, if you see submission status, submitted for grading, it means the submission was successful. This will tell you that the assignment you are submitting has been successful. Okay, so now let's go back and see our last item. Okay, now this is where you want to join a virtual class. Please go and learn how to use Teams. This is just simple. Teams is just simple. This Teams is an online collaborative tool for virtual class or discussion or meetings. So once you click on the link, automatically the Teams will open for you. It's as easy as that. But then I would advise that if you do not have an account, the LMS account has two aspects. There's an aspect for Office 365. There's an aspect for the LMS platform. So if you have official email account, that is the account you are using for Office 365. So make sure you can use your official email by using Outlook, going to outlook.office.com to access your emails. All communications to students are sent through their official emails. And that is the same official emails you are going to use to log into your Teams. Okay, so you click on the link and the link will open for you. Which one? Continue on this browser or open your Teams app. If you want to use the app already installed, you can use this. If you want to continue on this browser, you can use it, or you can download and install it before you can use the team. All right, so it's as simple as that. So that is so far what you need to know for now. So we'll have a short discussion, and if there's any question, we can respond to it, then we can call it a day. So please, if you have any question, any contribution, any challenges you have been having on the platform, please, you can raise your hand, then I can unmute you to share your hand, to share your experience. Is there any question? Okay, if there's no question, I want to ask, what are some of the challenges you've been facing with the LMS currently? If anybody wants to make any contribution, you can unmute yourself and start talking. What are some of those challenges that you think IT department should look at and resolve? You have some few minutes to end this session. So if you have any problems using the LMS and you think we should know. Okay, Janet, you can talk. Your hand is up, Janet. Unmute yourself, Janet, and talk.
Good morning.
Good morning, Janet.
Please.
I'm listening.
I just get it, but could there be a possibility that you would have a step-by-step document of how to go about it?
Yes, that is what we have done in a video, because it's easier watching a video. The videos are on YouTube. Okay. So we've done a tutorial on all these things already on our YouTube page. If you get to the first page of the LMS, there's a YouTube page link. I just showed you. Maybe perhaps you had not joined them, but there's a YouTube page that has a step-by-step tutorial on how to do all these things.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so please, can we get the link to the YouTube page so I watch from there?
Okay, can you see my screen now? I want to show you.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'm showing you where the link is.
Okay.
No YouTube link, you can't easily memorize it. Have you seen where I am now?
Yeah, GIJ LMS.
Exactly. So this is the YouTube page. This one icon. You will click on this icon, it will take you there. Do you see the mic?
Yes. Yes.
So now you see I'm there. Have you seen GIJ e-learning?
Have you seen GIJ e-learning? Yes. Yes.
So you can subscribe there and click on alert. You can get all the.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Any further questions? You can mute your mic now.
A question, please.
Okay.
If I already have the Teams on my phone, how do I slot in the link so that I'll open it straight away?
Okay, so what happens? You don't need to slot in the link.
Mm-hmm.
You please mute your mic now.
Okay.
Okay, you don't need to slot in the link. Okay, you see, when I went to my course page, there was a team link for virtual class. When you click on it, that link will automatically get connected to your app. That is why that option was asking. So look at it. I want to demonstrate it to you again. So if I click on this virtual link, this is the link for my class discussion, my class lecture. I click on it. You see that it is popping up something. Three things. Either I will download the team app, or I will continue on this browser, or I will open the team application that has already been installed on my phone or on my laptop. You understand? So these are what you need to do. Okay, so it has even already opened Teams for me. You have seen it. So you either click on continue on this browser or open your Teams mobile app. If you have a mobile app already installed, it will go automatically connect to your mobile app. Then it will open it right inside for you. Or if you want to continue in your browser, you can do this. So that is it. You don't need to put the link inside your Teams app. Thank you. Any further questions? Janet, do you still have your hand up? Janet, do you still have your hand up, or you are cool?
I'm cool. I'm okay.
Then put your hand down, I beg.
Yeah, I've done that.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Great. You know, this online thing, we need to get used to it so that it will be nice. It's quite fun. It's quite interactive. So that's all. If there's no comments, is there any other comments, question, or whatever? If there's nothing, we can call it a day.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll be joining the subsequent lessons.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. So thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too have a blessed day.
Bye.
Bye.